Well, hello, Indy. Happy Monday. How goes it? How you doing? Sorry, I'm just gonna sit up. Alright. Do 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 do. There we go. How you doing, bud? Oh shit. Perfect hit. Alright. Let us update the category. Because that's the thing we gotta do. Alright, game development. Perfect. And let's snooze ads, because I can. Why not? What's up? How you doing, man? Hey, Wayne Del Pilar. How you doing? How's it going, Wayne? Welcome to the party. The WordPress party. You know, there ain't no party like a WordPress party. You good? Fantastic. And we are just getting started here. So I did do some work over the weekend. Couldn't help myself. I did completely screw up the game. So that's good. That's funny. Because I replaced all the taxonomies that were no longer, any taxonomy that wasn't directly linked to the custom post type itself, I replaced with a select field that was pulling in the custom post type. And that means all the logic that we're using those, like this area here, they were using the taxonomy, so I had to rewrite all that. I think I fixed everything. Now it's just kind of going back and re-adding, no, not explainer. Focus view, that's what I meant to do. Is re-adding all the stuff to the correct places. Carol, you had a sign. Oh yeah, I really need to look at all the fucking... Hold up, do I have any var dumps chilling in here? Because something's happening. No, I don't. What about the theme? Might be the theme, actually, now that I think about it. No! Nothing. Then what the fuck is outputting in the goddamn... I don't know. That's really confusing, actually. I don't know what's... like a giant list of shit outputting for no reason. Mic just seems high. There. That's better. It is really gonna break. There we go. At least the wire's out of my way now. Okay. Much better. I think it's not really that much better sound-wise, but it is out of my way. So yeah, now I assigned that. Let's do the other one. Yeah, see that list that's showing up? I don't know what the fuck that is. I don't know why it's there. Does not make much sense. Yeah, this. What the fuck? It's like I'm outputting... I don't even know what these are. They're all different things. What the fuck is Scriptalicious Effects? What the hell? Is this something to do with the local code? Hold on, I gotta open up the... Yeah, I need to open up the actual site code. This one here. It won't open because it's technically the same shit as this. Oh, here it is. Alright, what the fuck? Var dump. Anything I have control over? No. No. Yeah, this is all just plugin shit. Huh. What about Scriptalicious Effect? Oh, here we go. Scriptalicious Effect is... Yeah, this is just like WordPress shit outputting. Why? Where did you come from? And why? Because it's not even part of a... Yeah, it's like under the script. It's like an inline script of all the enqueued shit. Are these all enqueued handlers? Because it's showing me a list of all the enqueued scripts. Yeah, because look, we have admin. Oh, is this something that Weaver did? Or am I tripping? Is it like part of the auto load? Yeah, but wouldn't it... Let's see. I mean, wouldn't it be a var dump? No, I guess it wouldn't be a var dump. No? Oh, I don't think it's any of this. Let's check the theme again. Echo. It should be like an echo of like registered script list. Handle? Oh, is this it? Print all enqueued scripts. Why? Who did this? Who did this? Weaver did this. This must have been so he could test it. Okay. Well, let's delete that because it's getting in my goddamn way. Great. Well, we fixed that. That'll be good to push. Okay, so Graham's office, let's give him an area. That's exactly why I did it. You're just testing to see if it was working. It just looks so official. I didn't even notice. But I kept thinking it was like a WordPress error from like the upgrade. And I ignore the shit out of those. So I'm just like, whatever. For the longest time. But I knew it had like script related to it. They just had the weirdest names. You forgot to remove it? Okay, perfect. Good. Hey, man. How's it going? Thanks for jumping on. Say hi. Yeah, so I replaced all the like custom taxonomies that were basically duplicates of the custom post types, because I kept like bringing taxonomies in to make lists of custom post types so I could like define it. I turned them all into selects, actually pulling the custom post type list. So now I have to re-fucking select everything. Still alive. Fantastic. So far so good. When's your due date? That's what I want to know. I think we all want to know. Horrifying due date. Ugh. Okay, so that should be fine. What are the other ones that I was missing? Are all the missions? I don't really have any missions. Yeah. So that'll be here. And the trigger item is... Oh, I don't have it yet. Oh, good. Then this doesn't really matter. Nice. Good. Ugh. Hey, check out the new merch. I finally... That t-shirt that's on the homepage. I finally got one of them. And it's a statement piece, man. Definitely get some looks. Still want to get the damn hoodie, though. It's like $100. I can't afford my own hoodie. It's so expensive. Yeah, it's good. My wife said that it looks like a soccer jersey. Like, I don't know why. I kind of get it, but yeah, I thought it looked kind of like a knockoff, you know, like Louis Vuitton shirt or something. You know, where they have all the logos all over it. Yeah, it's this one right here. Nice. Yeah, it looks just like that. Yeah, like a hockey logo. Yeah, it looks like the Kings logo. What does the Kings logo look like? Kings, LA Kings. Yeah, it's pretty close. Just a bunch of LA Kings logos everywhere. Hey, man, whatever. Free promotion for the Kings. That's fine. Could be a sponsor one day. But I really want to get this goddamn hoodie. And it only comes in large, too. Which would be comfortable. But, like... Oh, man, and it's zip up, too? Fuck. Looks stupid on girls, though. Man, that's cool. Yeah, I was actually going to spend some time and make some girl merch. So I can make my, my wife and kids wear more merch. Yeah. Because I don't have a lot of... I have like unisex stuff, but I don't have any like specific girl shirts. Like I did on Amazon, I had like girl shaped V-neck shirts and stuff like that. We shall see. Sooner or later. But now I'm trying to remember what am I trying to do? Because I don't know. I keep working on the goddamn game engine and not the game. Ugh. So close. I'll get it one day. I only screwed up a little bit at the beginning, but I keep playing that every stream now. Just try to get it right. And I'm getting better. Definitely have to add that into the game somehow. Yeah. It's a song I wrote a long time ago. And it, I even use it in one of my band songs. Like in an intro. And it's always been stuck in my goddamn head. But this keyboard is a 22 key. It's like this small. The keys are like this small. So it's like really hard to play anything two-handed. Especially kind of on the side. But I got my sustain pedal hooked up, so... And it's got a good tone because the GarageBand actually... The piano, the sine wave piano, sounds great. I remember all my other keyboards sound like shit. Other than my, like, I had a weighted key, or I have a weighted key, 88 key, electric grand. I want to whip that out at some point, but it's not a MIDI. Too bad. I know. That's what I feel like, too. And they're not weighted. It feels like an old Casio. But it sounds good, so, like, I can, like... convince myself to, and it does have some response, like you can hit harder and it sounds louder, so it's still responsive. It's pretty good M audio, but I couldn't fit something that much bigger over here. Oh yeah. Do I not have that box photo here? I think it's in game creatives. Yeah, I really need to start kicking it on these levels. Just feel like I'm missing something from the game engine itself. I'm trying to in parallel build both. Where are you, box? Where's mine, box? Here we go. Oh no, it's just boxes. Where's mine box? Show me thine box. Oh, box of stuff. Here we go. This will be the first mission. Pick up your shit. And then let's put this in Foresight. Wait, why am I doing this? This is the mission. I need to make the item. Hold up. Let me do that real quick. Feed the fam, my friend. Yeah, appreciate it, man. Thanks for stopping by. Why is the Z-index still wrong on this hand? Alright, whatever. Let's add a new item. We're gonna call this Box of Effects. We're going to add the box picture. Do I need to do the mission? Collect your effects? Wait. Mission should be a drop down of missions. We are missing that. We might be missing that. Am I missing that? Oh, we're in Miropelia. Oops. Excuse me. Alright, let's do that real quick. Dum, 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 dum. Mission. Oh, wait. It's part of item explore point. There's enemy. Wait, where the fuck is explore point? It is not here because mission is a global. Mission and minigame need to both be selects. So let's do that. Do I have a mission one already? Hold on. We have... no. Let's add a mission one. Easy peasy, because I built it that way. Nishon. Nishon. I could just do a loop, but I don't want to call a query to every single custom post type if I don't need to. I'm getting pretty close though. If I do end up getting every custom post type, I will make this a loop. Much better. I feel like I'm slouching because my head was getting too close to the edge. Okay. Oh, wait. We need minigame too. And no one until you cry. Stop the silence in your eyes. Down to one back. We'll copy one of these bad boys. Go back down to globals. The global. And do mission and minigame. Mission. Minigame. Yeah, okay. Cool. Yes. This is good. So I'll need to do that. So I'm not going to do this yet. Minigame and mission will be there. Wait, remove after cutscene. What is remove after cutscene? Is this the cutscene? Yes, so remove after cutscene also needs to be... oh, look at that. Remove after cutscene is also text. Well, I know I have a cutscene list one, don't I? Character, weapon, value. Oh, maybe I don't. Shit. Well, that's another one. Getting pretty close. Shit. Looks like we might have all of these. Cut. Scene. Just the end. Hiding from the truth. Don't worry, it's your time. No one's going to miss you. It's fine, it's just the end. You're fine, it's just the end. Cutscene. Perfectos. Anything else I'm missing? Apparently I'm missing everything. Trigger. What would trigger be? Trigger. Oh, it's a timer. Ooh. Timer. What is trigger? To, I thought trigger would be like a yes or a no. Okay, so we have the time. Right. I think I made it so you have to select. That's right. I think you have to select each item. That's the trigger. And if they're both selected, then it reads the time. I think that's how it works. So trigger actually needs to be an item drop down. So let's grab that. Oh no. One of these are here. Oh. Yeah, here's item. Man, I'm gonna have to rewrite all the logic. Oh, god damn it. Yeah, okay. how can we develop this in WordPress? Confused. Isn't WordPress for creating websites? Hey! First off, Jatin, Yatin, welcome. And second of all, you're right. WordPress is a is a website building CMS, right? It's for content management. Hey, this is an article, right, with the content. I'm utilizing the CMS for WordPress to create game assets and configure the game assets. I created a custom plugin that has all these custom post types, you know, areas, items, characters, cutscenes, everything you need in a game. And I'm defining it in WordPress using the database, the WordPress database. But I built it directly into a website. So this is my marketing website, orbemortar.com. This is like my normal website, and I built the game into the website. So you see, it's just one of the subdirectories on my website, and you can continue playing the game here. And right now you can play logged in or logged out. I made it so it's usable both ways. But yeah, this is all a WordPress website. So I take all those configurations, I output the HTML based off of what you choose and what you built, and then I style it and use vanilla JavaScript to make the dude walk around and interact with things. So like this plant right here, I don't like it. Punch. I can punch it. Punch. And now it's broken. Punch. And now it's broken. So I can interact with things in the game. Amazing! Yeah! It took a long time. Hey, anything can be done if you put enough time into it. Punch! So yeah. So it's the basics, you know, I'm basically copying what an RPG looks like, and how it, you know, when you move around. I'm using the introspective, perspective, introscopic, I forget what it's called, but the 2/3 basically, Pokemon style perspective. And this is my dev mode, so I can like take things and drag triggers around to go to different areas. Like this is just the way to get to the next level. And then I load the next level. Still on the same page. It's all client side. I do an API call and I grab the next level and I throw all the assets out there. I can even change where he starts in the level too. I have that defined in the configuration. And yeah, we have NPCs that can move around, and it's got mini games, it's got fights. This is my local. And right now I'm kind of working on the plugin a little bit, because this is going to be available for people to use to build their own RPG video games eventually. So, you know, if you have a WordPress website and you're like, you know what, I want to build a game. Now you can. It's a game engine. Well, not now you can. You will be able to when I'm done. I'm building my game basically as a test subject, pretty much. Or vice versa. I had to build the game engine so I could have my game built. Yes! That being said, we need to not do this. We need to do not this either. Let's leave the game. Start a new game. Yes, I will lose all my data. I am fine with that. Thank you. Skip. Play. Alright, cool. So, the mission is there. Balloons. But I can't... I gotta push the code up so I can do that. Oh yeah, the start trigger. Where's the trigger? I think I was on items. Trigger. And then this is my giant list of meta boxes and custom fields. I register them all myself. I do not use ACF. I don't use Carbon or anything weird like that. Much better, have way more control. Makes it easier to use for the game. But the list is long. I have to figure out a way to make this easier. Okay, explore points. Where is trigger? That's materialize item trigger. Well, where's the fucking timer? Oh. Can I do that? I should be able to do that. Shit. I don't know. We're gonna find out. And this is trigger. I don't know. We'll see if it works. And this game is based off of my book series, The Harmonian Chronicles. If anybody's into sci-fi fantasy, this is a sci-fi fantasy crossover novel where a bunch of scientists get, you know, escape to a fantasy universe. Book 1 and Book 2 are out. I'm writing Book 3. There's going to be 4 books once the series is done. And Orbem is basically where the game starts. And I'll follow the entire book series with the game. So I already have a nice 3-arc, you know, entire series with a start and stop built into the game already. So it'll be a coherent storyline, luckily, because I already wrote it. Oh yeah, let's go in and see if this worked. Minigame, remove up to cutscene. This is the cutscenes, great. We have the area. And mission dependent. That's also gonna need one. Cutscene boss is gonna need one. Cutscene minigame's gonna need one. Oh shit. There's so many things that need drop downs. I didn't even realize. And this is cutscenes. Oh shit. Cutscene, you son of a bitch, cutscene. Why do you need so many things? Where are the cutscenes? Whatever. It should be around here somewhere. It's character. Cutscene. Okay. So what do we have? Minigame. No. No minigame. Wait, do I need minigame? I think I already have minigame here. It's a global, isn't it? Character, next area. See, look at mission complete cutscene. This is also a drop down. This is a drop down. I guess minigame wasn't global. Oh, it is. See, look at minigame. So should I make... Oh yeah, so is mission. Cutscene minigame. Now, this is the cutscene. Is this the minigame that triggers the cutscene? Or is this a cutscene that triggers the minigame? No. This is the cutscene that gets triggered by the minigame. Not the minigame that triggers this cut. Or is this the minigame that triggers it? Well, I mean, either way. But then what is this? What would this be? Nothing. Okay, I think we can get rid of this and use that. I don't think we need this. And then boss should be enemy list. So we can use this. Cutscene boss. My bad. Bad paste. And then music is upload. Mission should be a mission list. Oh, but we already have mission. Mission dependent. That would mean that when you complete the mission, it triggers the cutscene? Or does that mean that the cutscene triggers the mission? Shit. These are things that are hard to figure out. Because then we also have explore mission cutscene. And then explore mission complete cutscene. Okay, wait. So what the fuck is mission dependent? Oh, God damn it, I gotta look in the code. I should name these things better. So, mission dependent is what? What is this? Data dependent. What the fuck is dependent? And now I have to look in the JavaScript. I really have to make sure whether I need this or not. Trigger mission dependent cutscene if mission are complete. Trigger mission dependent cutscene. Well, then what the fuck is mission complete? Does it? So this one completes this mission if this cutscene happens. Then what does mission cutscene have? Is this the cutscene that triggers the mission? This is the cutscene that this is the cutscene that creates this mission. Let's double check that. Because we have 3 of these now, which is great. Which we should put them all together because this is confusing as fuck already. So let's do this. We have 3 different ones. We have dependent, which this cutscene is triggered by this mission. So this mission triggers the cutscene. This mission gets shown once you complete this cutscene. And then this is the last one that I don't know. Mission cutscene. Mission cutscene, which does what? It's just the mission. What do you do with mission? Dot mission, right here. Wait, what? Oh, wait. Mission. Wait, what? Yes. Trigger mission dependent cutscenes if mission are complete. Oh, is this a toggle? Wait a second. Is there anything else about dependent? Maybe I have this wrong. So this might just be a radio, yes or no. I don't know why I made it text. Okay. Wait, what? Yeah, because I'm just outputting this, which must equal yes or no. Okay. In that case, this is not this. This is radio. Or, I don't even know if it should be radio, to be honest. I guess we could just say yes or no radio. Yes or no radio. Alright, so this is yes or no. Oh yeah. There we go. Yes. No. Okay. So mission dependent says whether this cutscene is dependent on a mission being completed. And if it is, then we get all of the, so we get all of the cutscenes. Oh, I remember why I did this. Though I don't know why I did it, but I remember, I think, what part of the game I did this for. It's because I wanted to be able to add a bunch of missions based off a mission that's being completed. And I wanted a way of checking all of their missions, I guess. And looping through them, right? Am I looping through them? No, I'm just grabbing the first one. I'm getting the mini game. Getting the mission. And wait, so this is the mini game. This is the mission. So we're grabbing the actual mission and then engaging. Sorry. I have no idea. This is so confusing. It probably works, but I didn't add shit for comments in this. No, no. I really don't know. I'll just have to go off the code. So this is yes or no. And then this is... I guess these are both mission arrays. Right? Because mission cutscene creates data mission. So that's the mission. And then what was the other one? Mission complete cutscene. Mission complete cutscene. What does this one do? Mission complete. This add data point for the mission that is complete by having this cutscene. Comments are necessary even for experienced ones. Oh yeah. Yeah, especially when you've been working on a game for years and fuck, your code has changed over time. Oh my god. Add data point for the mission that is complete by having this cutscene. I thought I was doing that already though. Isn't that what... No, because mission dependent, all it does is say whether it's part of a triggerable event that says the mission is complete. But then the mission complete... Oh, shit, I don't even think I'm using that. Hold on. I might be able to get rid of that. I think I thought I was going to use this, and then I ended up using just the mission. Mission complete. Oh, here we go. I am using it. Complete mission if cutscene has one. So this is after the cutscene. Mission complete exists. I complete the mission. Well, what the fuck am I using dataset mission for? Well, this is... There's a lot of dataset missions, so it has to be cutscene related. Minigame. Cutscene. I'm using this as the mission that I engage. Okay. It is necessary. Let's see if I can add a comment to make sure I understand this in the future. Get the mission name that gets triggered to start when this... No. Get the mission name that triggers the start of this cutscene. That's what it is. It is weird that I'm only grabbing the first one, though. There must be a reason. I probably built it for one thing and I haven't made it. Let's see, I might need to actually add a to-do. Add, you know, scalable logic. This only works for first one. Okay, that's fine. Either way, I think I got it right. These both need to be, yeah, mission drop-downs. So let's grab it. That would be you. So I think there's already one sitting around here. Where are you, mission? I will find you. Oh, right. So let's grab this. And then add that to right here. Cutscene. Cutscene. Yeah. Right here. And right here. Okay. So now these are selectable. You don't need to look up the slug. You can just get it here. This is a yes or no. Okay. Let's see how this looks now. See if it's usable. Mission, yes. So this is cutscene mission. We got that. And then we have cutscene boss. Great. These are enemies. We have the area. We have the item to remove after this cutscene. We have the missions that will trigger this cutscene. And then we have the mission that will get completed by this cutscene. Not confusing at fucking all. And then is this mission dependent? I don't even know why. Why can't I just look? No. It has to be something specific, I guess. I don't know. This is fine. That's fine. I'm gonna need good ass documentation. Okay. That's fine. Those are cutscenes. Oh man, I know I'm gonna have goddamn issues with this. There's gonna be a lot of these drop downs I missed. Ooh. Ooh. This cutscene right here. I need to add one for here, and item. I need that one here. This is the path trigger. So it's the cutscene that starts the path walking, and then this is the item that starts the path walking, I guess, right? Yeah. This is explore path trigger. Okay. Oh shit. Alright. So let's go to enemy. And we're gonna need item and cutscene drop downs. So here's the item, which is perfectly named already. Let's check enemies. What? Oh, here we go. Characters need it too. So that's useful. Hold up. I need to just take this part. I want to try to keep the same meta names. They're just going to output differently. There we go. And then point is going to be the same thing. We need to replace this with item. And this is, oh, this is cutscene, not item. Grand. And then we already have selects for these two. Okay, enemy needs the same thing. Number. If I see text anywhere, I just have to assume it's wrong. Honestly. Like, the only thing that would need text is like a message or something. Otherwise, I use text just for writing titles and slugs, which was not a good long-term strategy. Change this to item. Great. What else do we have text for? I could probably extrapolate all this. Oh. So far, so good. Oh, mission. Found one. Yoink. You are now a mission. Alright, what's next? Any more leftover text fields? I guess I could just search for text, but I kind of need context, so I'm looking at it. Context for the text. Play on words. So far, so good. Oh, here we go. Hazard remove. So this is the hazard that gets removed. So hazard isn't its own thing. Items are hazards. So I wonder if I could actually query just hazards. I probably could. Let's see here. See if I can just get hazards. Because this would be explore point, false, and then true. No. Hazard. I guess. Well, what are hazards? What do the hazards look like? Should be fire. Here we go. This is a hazard. And hazard is interaction type. Okay, so if interaction type equals hazard. Yeah. So I can just do, oh, I should probably put the shit. Yeah, to make this really work, I'm gonna have to put this and then the one we're looking for. So it's like the meta and then the answer key. It's the only way to really make it work. So then I can go here and I can do meta key. Oh, and then meta value. That's what I meant to do. And this is bleh. And this is bleh by default. Grand. Now, this is false. And then I gotta use the get posts. But we need to create a meta query if this exists correctly. So let's see if I can memorize meta queries. If meta key false equals empty meta key, then meta query equals meta query key value compare equals. Yepper, that's pretty much it. Otherwise, meta query equals nothing. Cool. So let's do this. That. Yeah. Meta query. See if that works. I might just blow everything up. There's a possibility. So if that works, then we should be able to use this as a select value, hazard array. Where's hazard? That's that. Okay. Interaction type, great. Oh, hazard remove. That was what we were looking for. And we'll steal this hazard, so the hazard to remove. And then we have to, I see there's a mission one next we gotta do. Hazard. What is this part of? This is part of mission? Oh shit, okay. And here's next mission. We'll get the next mission. Oh, right here. That's it. We got it. Okay, this works. Perfectos. Oh, ability. That's also one we need to do. Ability is a thing. Is that a custom post type? I'm pretty sure. Ability? No? Maybe not. Ability is... No, it's magic type. What is ability again? I thought it was part of magic. It's part of weapons? Maybe? No. What is ability? Oh, is it character? Is it part of character? I think it is. Yeah, ability. Got it. Oh, and I think I'm hard coding this list. Okay. Really shouldn't. I should make this its own custom post type. That way people can define their own abilities. Only problem is I'm programming all of these abilities like into it. Like I can add more abilities, but I don't think I should do that. This actually has to be its own thing, so that's fine. Undefined array key. What the fuck do you mean? What did I do wrong? Explore cutscene. Explore point. I don't know. Something's not right with those. Ability is already defined though. That would be... Oh, maybe it's not. I need to define it though. Explore ability array equals... What are they? I guess I'm already... No, see, I'm already... Oh, this is for... No, yeah. Where is it? What are abilities? Oh. I think I'm just hard coding them. Cheer. Right here. Where am I using this? This one's inside of character. Well, then what's this one up here? Mission. Wait. Hold on. This is part of mission? The hell am I using it for mission then? Oh, I know. I'm sorry. What is ability being used for? This is called Explore Ability. And this is part of character. It's also part of mission. Wait, where's the mission HTML function? Oh, that would still be in here. I mean, am I not using it? Why would a mission have ability attached to it? Why, I say? So this is save mission. I'm just wondering if it's... I thought maybe it was... Oh, here we go. I thought maybe it was... basically... like, you have to define what ability allows you to complete the mission, maybe? That's the only thing I was thinking. Well, let's check out the template. Okay. So I am using it. And I'm doing what with it? Oh, I'm adding ability. Wait, what? Blockade? What? What am I using that for? Okay. Can character interact? Uh-huh. Or item. Oh, mission ability. Here we go. What is this being used for? Cross off mission. What are you used for? Here we go. Enable transportation if mission complete. Is that it? I just used it for transportation, maybe? Yeah, it's also something that's hard-coded into here. It's transportation. Which, fine, whatever. I mean, if somebody else wants to use transportation in their game, they can. It's very specific power, though. Okay. I get why it's being used. I get what we're doing now. So let's just add it to the list. Ability. Cool. Perfect. Okay. And this is very specific use case, like I said, but that's fine. Okay. So that's a thing now. Yes. What other drop downs do we need? Any other text fields lying around? Not here. What about in areas? Minigame. Why? Why, minigame? Why? Wait, is minigame still a fucking global? Or, I mean, I thought minigame was a... Yeah, see, minigame is a global. Why am I fucking around like this? Explore minigame. But then I have minigame down here. Wait, where is minigame? What? I thought it was a global. It's on the global list. Where's area? Oh, maybe it's because I'm already using this. It's overriding it? Yeah, look at that. Minigame. No. I have it as a global. Why am I doing this twice? Okay, you're gone. Minigame. Upload. Minigame. Wait, what? Okay. where's the minigame? I know there's another one sitting around. Come on. Where are you at, minigame? I know you're around here. Okay, here we go. Minigame is cutscene. Now, is cutscene does not sound like what I think it is, so let me check. So, is area cutscene? False equals. Okay. False equals. False equals. Okay. So maybe I'm just typing true or false? Like, what the fuck? Oh. Yes. Okay. See, I think some of these used to be checkboxes. And I converted them to text for some reason. But let's just do a yes no for this one. Excuse me. I could have easily turned the mic off, but you guys need to know what's going on. Alright. Yes, no. Perfect. That's perfect. So this should now have the minigame drop down. Perfect. Perfect. And have the area. Blah blah. Is cutscene. Nice. Grand. Alright, what's next? Items. Are we missing anything here? Disappear, timer. Okay, yeah, so some of these aren't working. Why, I say. Why? Why, I ask of you? This is saying what? Trigger. Undefined array key trigger. And this is going to be in the select. No. Oh yeah, right here. Meta values. Key. Trigger. Yeah, well, this might not be. I gotta do this. Hold on. Alright, I think I might have to do that for all of them. No, I don't. Good. Trigger's good. Mission's good. I think that was it. Yeah, because it's right. Trigger. Because I don't exist. Okay. Then that should have fixed all of them. Alright, item seems good. Let's go back to cut character, just in case I missed anything. Drop down, no text, drop down. Time between, no text. Drop down. Great. So far so good. We're almost to the finish line. This is a cutscene area. Drop down. Area. Cutscene boss. Still very nice. Mission cutscene. Complete mission. Blah, 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 blah. Yes. Next area. Okay, cool. So this is all good. These are all drop downs. What about the enemies? Drop down, drop down, drop down. Drop down, drop down. No text. No text. So far so good. Yep. Does repeat still work? Wait, what the fuck? Repeater. top left repeater, top left. Okay. This is not working. Why? Why is my repeater not working all of a sudden? Let me double check this. Yeah, why is... What? Okay, what the fuck? Oh, let's double check if it's working for regular characters. I guess I didn't see it not working. Oh, it's the same thing. Okay. Something's up with the repeater then. Oh, this is probably it. Key. No, we do not need it to double up like that. But maybe key index is fine. I don't think that's why. It might actually, that might be it. No. Oh, whoa, what the fuck? Repeat? Yes. No. Path? Repeater. I don't get why it's doing that. Something is incorrect with this. Feels like repeater isn't being used. Let's go back here. Let's go back to characters. Cutscene, weapon, character. So how am I doing the repeater? Right here. Path trigger. Wait, what? Path trigger. Where's the actual repeater? Uh-oh. I'm confused. Oh, repeater right here. Bop. Top left. So for some reason, path is coming out repeater. So when I go through this, this should be like radio. Yeah. Except for it has a number. Okay, hold on. Why is this not working? This should definitely be working. Let's go to the bed box. This will be the final countdown. WebSocket. Components. Meta box. Now we're going through this shit. Oh, repeater. Here we go. So this is definitely subkey. So this should work. It's the same thing as radio. So it's not this. Okay. Oh, it's not this. If this is not subkey, so it's still not this. It's not this. Else this. Let's double check repeater container is being used. It is not. So that means that something is wrong here. Subkey is not coming out as repeater. Oh, that's weird. Why did I leave repeater out of this list? I need it to be in this if statement because I have repeater right here. Okay. Array key 0. At least we have something. Oh yeah, there we go. Explore path. No. Let's go back and undo what I did. The whole removing the extra key thing. See, that's for meta values, though. Okay. Yeah. So that's the problem. I don't want this to have this in here anymore, but it seems like it's just built that way. So let me start a new character and see what it looks like. Whoa, what the fuck was that? Whoa, what was that? What are you showing me? Metabox 110. What's on 110, my friend? There is no metabox. Oh, class. Okay. The fuck? This is part of save post. Why is this getting hit? That's weird. What the fuck? Let's see what that error is. Screen meta. Block editor. Class. Nah, that's a bad one. Oh, found it. Trying to access array offset on value of type null. And that. Okay. Yeah, I mean, I shouldn't do that. I should do this. What am I looking at? This is getting value. Array value. Array value key. Is it key? Wait, what was it before? I forgot. I think it was key. Key. Oh, okay, it's the variable though. So false equals empty. Array value key. Oh, I guess I could just do this. Right. Shorthand. Okay. And then this is array value. Great. This should work. Cool. No more background error. Alright, what's the... Okay, here we go. Repeater on line 4. Must be an array. Okay, let's fix that. 4. Correct. So I don't know if this is something or not. If false equals empty, let's add another layer here. Else. No. Wrong. In this case, if that's false, then I need a default. Can I do that? Hold on. And if I should be able to do that. No? Because I don't want to do the for each. You know? But I don't think this will work. Let's see. Yeah. That's not gonna work. Right. Actually, we should just do it like this. Okay. That's not gonna work. The default. See, I think I have a bunch of default shit built in here, though. So I kind of just need there to be a default. And yeah, like I said, I don't need this. I can just do. God damn it. Then meta values equals key and then the walking point is its own thing. How did this ever work? Yeah, because I need to start with the first one, 0, 0. So then we need... What do we need? The first walking point is going to be, what, top, 0, left, 0. Is that how it works? Maybe. But that shouldn't be right though. Yeah. This is now on line 10. Huh? Oh, I gotta do it like this. Key. Right, more like that. But I need this to be right. That's the problem. I can't define it. Because meta values are the actual values. But I need the... Fuck. I thought I got this working. I mean, it must work if it's already saved, maybe? Let's check repeater. Top left, top left. If repeater is true, yeah, blah, blah, blah. So the saving I'm not worried about. I'm worried about... Yeah, so it's repeater, top, left. Get metadata. Metadata comes out here, goes to the metadata box. Metadata box comes here. We have metadata. And then if it's a repeater, I'm passing the key. And then values right here. I'm passing the sub key and the sub value. So I am passing, you know, top left and shit. Well, no, sub key is repeater. Sub value is the top left array. So in that case, top is part of this function. So sub value in here, I'm using it here. Got it. Okay. So sub value is the top. This is the type. Which, okay, well then that doesn't matter. I can leave that alone then. So yeah, it really comes down to the meta values then, which is key equals this, right? Walking point. Wait, so key, go here. Oh. It's more like this then. It's an array of arrays. So maybe that's why it wasn't working. No, still not working. What? Must be type array given for each. What the fuck am I giving it then? False equals empty. Oh, no, true equals empty. My bad. I'm dumb. There you go. So now we have top, left. And does this work? It does. 1, 2, we can delete, we can delete. Okay, cool. We're good. Got that working again. Good. We need defaults working. All right. I think we've done enough for a Monday. Slash Tuesday for me. Hey. Yatin, Khatin, Jadin. Thanks for jumping on. Appreciate it. Appreciate the questions, and hope you subscribe so I can talk to you again in the future. Everybody else that's jumped on today, appreciate it. I know Indy did nothing but take the first spot, but I also appreciate his time. Mr. Weaver, hope you are doing well, and I will catch you soon. I'm very sure. And yeah, everybody else who's jumped on, and anybody watching in the future, I appreciate your viewership. And whatever you want, come ask me. Plenty of things going on. Don't forget about today's sponsor, The Harmonian Chronicles. Book 1 and Book 2 out now. Audiobooks, paperback, Kindle, Kindle Unlimited, everything, ebook. Get it. Tell me what you think. I'm really interested. I'm very interested in what people think of Miropelia, to be honest. I have gotten very small amounts of feedback compared to Orbem. That's mostly because I didn't heavily market Miropelia being book 2. But once I finish all 4, I will do that. But yeah, very interested in what everybody thinks. Hope you enjoy the rest of your day, night, whatever it is for you. And yeah, I should have something playable on production soon. I kind of screwed it all up right now, so I mean, you can still try to play Orbem, escape to Orbem, but anyway, have a WordPressy day. I will catch you in the next one. Goodbye.